Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, a massive fire has destroyed several stores at a plaza on Young Street in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The fire, which broke out at about 11 p.m. on Thursday, is believed to have started in a clothing store at the plaza. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what me just say? Fire destroys stores at a plaza in Spanish Town. The Inter-American Commission on Human Rights, IACHR, has expressed concern over Jamaica's continued use of states of public emergency, ZOZO, and has called on the Andrew Holness government to ensure that measures used to prevent and combat crime are implemented in accordance with international human rights standards. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights just say? You see why me always come out and I say Andrew Holness not have no crime plan? He not have no crime plan. This is why he cannot implement anything to combat crime. He cannot implement anything, my wisdom warriors. The only thing he have a fight crime is the ZOZO. The only thing he have a fight crime is the ZOZO. So what the police them really dead for? And that me want to know. What the police them dead for? Seriously. Now these people, IACHR, which is called the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights, is calling on the Andrew Holness government to ensure that measures used to prevent and combat crime are implemented. That means not implemented. Not implemented. Remember, say Andrew Holness was the same very person who come out and said they don't need a crime plan, They need security. My wisdom warriors, so I go try find that video there. Yes, I'm showing them. I can't show them now. But I go find it back. Other day I did see it. Andrew Holness say, we don't need no crime plan. And that him say, what we need is security. That's why he go and invest so much millions in a security and still. Look what happened. He invest so much in security and a pure mass shooting a go on. Tell me now. Insensible? My box cover. Me have to laugh at him, Me have to laugh at him, my wisdom warriors, because he don't know where he do. He think he know and he have it like, but really and truly he doesn't. He saying he can turn it up and turn it down. Unless him know what he's really doing, where we don't know, where we the public don't know. Because if him can come out and say he can turn it up and turn it down, what exactly is he talking about? Because I know we don't know, my wisdom warriors. If we don't look into it, we don't know what I'm talking about, We have to read between the lines. We have to read between the lines, my wisdom warriors. But tell me if you don't agree with the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights. Can me agree with them? Me totally agree with them. My wisdom warriors, me did have to come show you this one here, seriously. Me did have to come and share this with you. Look on Venetia Phillips, she over on Twitter. I go on with a bag of foolishness just because she am a kill them left, right and center. So Venetia posted this and saying, so when are we going to see Marky G bird paper? Wanna hear them something here? My wisdom warriors, they think they slick. They want to go back and talk about dual citizenship. Oh, no, go with that now. That now work. Oh, no, sister, that now work. Mr. My wisdom warriors, they think they slick. They want to go back on the dual citizenship. It is pointless. Somebody tag Venetia for me there. Tag her for me there. Because it is so pointless, Venetia, coming out and posting this stupid thing. It don't make no sense. Because he renounce. He renounced now. So what I talk about? What I really talk about? I will tell you if you come back and talk about dual citizenship. What you really think say? Coming back and talking about dual citizenship now, it will go overshadow the ear thief Really? Wanna make a sad mistake. But my wisdom warriors, and I she alone I do it, me see all the mouthpiece post it too. And the way how them write it. Me I tell you, say them, but I gotta say something what me now, but I say it. Anyway, so Venetia continue and say, did he lie about where he was born? Who remember him from preschool laughing out loud? He lied about illicit 6 and 8 him this lie. Look upon this again, you know. I say about golden lie. When the Integrity Commission come out and post, it all over the media. Me tell you, say them wicked. Me couldn't, you know what, the best thing she ever do, this girl, is a traitor. She's a big traitor in the PNP. Me glad how she come out. Because you know what? She say PNP heart to clean my wisdom warriors. And she not have clean heart. So it's true she not have no clean heart. She have to go with the criminal them there. She have to go with the criminal them there. Look how this girl come out here and a lie. I want dangerous girl this, you know. Look how she come out and a lie, my wisdom warrior, saying he lied about illicit 6 and 8. Mark Golding lie about that. What you talk about, girl? You have sense? Them a mislead the people, them. Me tell you no, this for sure is a Jamaica Labour Party lie to the Jamaican people all the time. Labour rights, PNP, all true Jamaicans. This is to show you when they're in the panel platform, a pure lie them a tell pa Mark Golding. Pure lie. If Mark Golding was telling lie, won't Integrity Commission come out and dismiss it? Just like when nationwide news run with it and say how it is not illicit 6 anymore. Who remember? Our Integrity Commission come and slam them. So yeah, tell me say Mark Golding come out call like Integrity My wisdom warriors, me I feel laugh at that girl. Hey, them are mad out. Me say them having a meltdown over the labor. Them a have a meltdown. Me tell you, she ma kill this a girl, you know. Cause this a girl, they did a PNP by wisdom warriors. And this a girl feels so she a go win back for her place. For her constituency. Gone over Andrew Wellness now and lose. She's a failure. She's a failure. She must think that them like her. She must think that Jamaica Labour Party like her, girl. You stay there out here cause Mark Golding, you hear? Where you don't know all on you. You out here cause Mark Golding. You better start look for your colleague them. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it because she's just like a troublemaker. And not only that, my wisdom warriors, she get bitter. She get bitter towards the PNP party. Remember, see how she decided for left, you know, because her heart not clean. So she gone over this, you know, over them, the criminal place. She gone over there and she lose. Who remember what happened? She lose, my wisdom warriors. She's a failure. So she beat against the PNP. And never the PNP fault make you left, girl. You're just a traitor. And you can't manage in the PNP because PNP hard to clean. Wisdom warriors. Me say me I feel laugh at a bad mind when me see them. So me say no, me just come share this with Uno because Venetia mad out. So my wisdom warriors, when you know, so the mouthpiece them run out and hear how them write for them title now. Look on for them thumbnail. Unfortunate politicians were forced to renounce British citizenship's commentator. Yeah? So they must say a commentator says so. But you know when the people them read it, they not go pray like that. So mouthpiece right. Political commentator Lloyd B. Simit says he's disappointed parliamentarians had to be pressured by the public to renounce their dual citizenship. Me have to laugh at them. So what them a do now, I bring back up dual citizenship. It's just stupid. It's just stupid. If it was me alone, and up to Mark Golding, he do not renounce a thing. Because it is not against the law. It is within the Constitution. It's within his rights. Nothing wrong with that. I just show many Jamaican, you have some Jamaican, them dunce, and them just not understand the thing. You get me? My wisdom warriors don't know, so me not hold back. Me attack it as it is. Who want bex. It's just the truth. A lot of Jamaican people dunce, and they don't understand. You get me? Because if them understand, them who know out here chatting rubbish, I talk about renounce. Remember, say, England is part of the Commonwealth, so you don't need to renounce. But you know, say, Mark Golding just want to do right by the people of Jamaica. This to show you say, you know, he is loyal, you know. This to show you say, he is a loyal man. So when me see them a news media come out now and I try come and talk about Mark Golding, citizenship. It don't make no sense. Me see 1 month straight, the mouthpiece them splash and dash Mark Golding all over social media. And me don't see them do that when it come to Andrew Wellness and the Integrity Commission. My wisdom warriors, this is all a PR what them a do. Andrew Wellness administration full of PR. So then when we talk about the 6, hear me about the 6, right? The 8 thief. Then we talk about Mark Golding dual citizenship. Mark Golding renounce. So Mark Golding are fully Jamaican. Lord Jesus. Me say, you know, so some people just fool the man born at Jamaica. The man born at Jamaica. Like, seriously. Even when me see Venetia come out and a joke and all these things, you know, she's just a troublemaker. But me understand why she's like that, because she a traitor. So we know it's a traitor got bitter. So we have to just laugh after her, my wisdom warriors. Them just not have no sense. Them senseless. Anyway, me I take on a straight in a Clarendon because I don't know say Clarendon turn up load last night and not normal. Hear this.
How can it be that you have a government where they tell our nurses and our teachers that you must stay and sacrifice for the benefit of this country? You have a minister of finance that raised the pay for himself and others within the political directorate by 300%. And he said that he raised it because he's trying to attract the best and the brightest, and he wants them to stay in Jamaica. And only for us to get up on it, I hear that the same man said the 300% is not enough. So he migrated. An orthopedic surgeon, a bone specialist in Jamaica, earns $12 million per year. Nigel was earning 24, 2 times what the bone specialists are earning. Nigel is leaving Jamaica to go to foreign to earn 431,000 US per year. If the orthopedic surgeon leave and go to the US, they would earn 800,000 US per year, 2 times what Nigel run gone for. Now, I want you to understand this here. In Jamaica, Nigel earn 2 times what the bone specialists earn. If run God to a work, that if the man run with him or the woman who is the bone specialist, they will earn 2 times what him earn over there. And they have decided to stay because they put Jamaica first. Nigel only cares about himself. I can't knock a man for personal achievement. Because any one of us could have stayed in our private endeavors and aim to be at the top of it. I could be practicing medicine and aiming to be a consultant at Mayo Clinic. All of us could do that. We took a conscious decision that we were going into politics to shape the direction that this country is going in. And 1 year before the general election, the finance minister packed up his bag and gone, where we are telling all of the JP MPs, from Andrew right down to Simplis or whatever I name, pack your bags and go!